Welcome to this session on usability and accessibility testing, two critical practices that ensure your software is not only functional and secure, but also user-friendly and inclusive for all. Let's begin with usability testing. This type of testing evaluates how easy and intuitive it is for users to interact with your application. It focuses on the user experience, asking questions like, can users complete tasks efficiently? Is the navigation clear and consistent? Are the labels, instructions, and icons easy to understand? Usability testing often involves real users performing common tasks while observers track their actions, feedback, and pain points. It helps identify friction in user flows, confusing design elements, or unnecessary steps. Methods include moderated testing. A facilitator guides users and records insights in real time. Unmoderated testing. Users complete tasks independently, with actions recorded for later analysis. Surveys and interviews, collecting qualitative feedback to uncover usability issues. Key metrics include task completion rate, time on task, error rate, and user satisfaction scores. Tools like Maze, Lookback, and Optimal Workshop help facilitate remote usability studies. Next is accessibility testing, ensuring your application can be used by people with disabilities. This includes users with visual, auditory, cognitive, or motor impairments. Accessibility testing checks for keyboard navigation. Can all functions be used without a mouse? Screen reader compatibility. Is content correctly interpreted by assistive technologies? Color contrast in text. Are visuals readable for users with low vision or color blindness? Semantic HTML tags. Do elements have proper structure and labels? The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines WCAG provide the global standard for compliance. Aim for at least WCAG 2.1 level AA to meet most regulatory requirements. Common tools include Axe DevTools, Wave, Lighthouse, NVDA, and VoiceOver screen readers. Best practices: design with accessibility in mind from the start. Test early and often, not just before release. Involve users with disabilities in testing when possible. Train teams on accessibility standards and tools. Inclusive design improves the experience for everyone, not just those with disabilities. Clear navigation, logical flow, and readable content benefit all users. To summarize, usability testing ensures your app is intuitive, efficient, and user-friendly. Accessibility testing ensures it's usable by people of all abilities. Together, they help create software that is functional, inclusive, and delightful to use. In the next session, we'll explore mobile app testing, how to ensure performance, compatibility, and usability across a wide range of devices.